to start by opening up our gnome package and kind of arranging the pieces as how we want them. I want my hat curling towards the left and my beard curling towards the right. Then we're going to take our Cool Bisque paint and our foam brush and paint both the hands and the nose. I'm only doing the top and not worrying about the sides. Then I'm going to set this aside and let it fully dry. Next, we're going to do the body of our gnome. So I'm going to put the paper on it how I want it and then flip it over. Then I'm simply going to trace it with a pencil on the back and use my scissors to cut it out. We're going to use our matte medium adhesive and we are going to apply it to the paper and then put it onto our wood gnome. Next, we are going to want to take the plaid paper, flip it over so the plaid side's touching your table, and put the hat on with it pointing towards the right and trace it. This will give us our hat once we cut it out. And again, what we're going to do is use that matte medium to adhere it onto the wood. Now we need to create his beard, and what we're going to do is use a cream piece of 8.5 by 11 paper for this. So again, flip it the opposite way that you want it, so your pencil marks are going to be on the back of the paper. You're going to trace it and cut it out. And then we are going to use that matte medium and adhere our paper to the wooden beard. You can set the beard aside, and then we're going to do the same process with our 4-inch tree made out of chipboard. We're going to put it on the back of the blue snowflake paper, and we are going to trace it with our pencil and cut it out with a scissor and adhere it to the tree using the matte medium. Now it's time to assemble our gnome, and for this I used hot glue. So I started with hot gluing on the hat, then you'll want to hot glue on the beard, which butts right up to the hat. The nose goes right where the hat and the beard touch in the middle. I did my tree at an angle and then added hands. Then you're going to apply hot glue to the back of the whole gnome and put him at the bottom, about an inch up from the bottom, centered in your white frame. Next, we are going to take our vinyl. It says Merry Everything and Happy Always. And we're just going to take the paper backing off of the vinyl, and then you are going to apply it to the top center of your frame, again about an inch down, and we are going to press it on there. Peel that paper backing off and your sign is now complete.